I just removed all the baseboard and I'm removing the underlayment. So as you see here, this middle section, I think it was maybe some section was glued, but it's like now doesn't hold anything. Just like this edge, still like glued here, but not too bad. I'm just scraping. And it's pretty easy to get rid of this. And when I talked to the staff at the Windsor Plywood, he said the vinyl plank product is a little bit like flexible. Even there is some small pieces like underlayment that should be it shouldn't be issue. But I'll try to clean as much as I can to have a nice flat concrete floor. This time I'm removing the tack strip around the perimeter, and I just use my cat's paw and hammer, and there's some spot there are nails, so I'm just removing the nail. It's easy to remove, but a little bit dusty, so I'm wearing a mask. Like that. After removing tack strip around the perimeter, I made it smooth the concrete floor with the scraper, and yeah, I'll just sweep the dust and some garbage, and then I start installing this vinyl plank. But first thing, I have to remove some section because previous owner they just cut along the edge. Looks like make it straight. So I have to remove some sections, and then I have to restart. So I have to remove one more baseboard there, and then I'll take first piece, and then I'll find out how I can start.